Meaning of freckled.
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 Freckled. Freckled is an adjective used to describe someone or something that has small, flat, brownish spots on the skin. These spots are usually more common in people with fair skin or red hair and are caused by an increased production of melanin in the affected areas. Freckles are not harmful or dangerous, but are considered a cosmetic feature. They can appear anywhere on the body but are most commonly found on the face, arms, and shoulders. Some people find freckles attractive and even enhance them with makeup, while others may seek treatment to reduce their appearance.